Hello guys, it's me Wakendi Palam here with the daily cipher for the 21st of June 2024. That is the Morse code that you have to enter in your Hamster Combat app to claim your 1 million free coins for today. So we start by opening the app and then we go to where it says earn per tap, and we tap there 3 times and you'll see the color will change and the screen will open. And then once the screen opens, you have to enter the word pump, P-U-M-P, one letter at a time using Morse code. For the P, it's 1 dot, 2 dashes, and 1 dot. There's the P, you see it there on the screen. And then for the U, it's 2 dots and a dash. That's the U. For the M, it's 2 dashes. And for the last P, it's 1 dot, 2 dashes, and 1 dot. There's the P. And then you see it says take the prize. Your code is correct. You are a real detective. So tap on where it says take the prize, and then you'll see your balance will change by 1 million coins. So I'd like to urge you to like and subscribe on my channel so that you can keep getting more updates as the daily cipher Morse code is released. And see you tomorrow, where I'll also give you the daily combo to help you claim your 5 million free coins from Hamster Combat.